Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless grass trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WORKPRO Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer. We were impressed by the WORKPRO Cordless Grass Shear and Shrubbery Trimmer's lightweight design and easy-to-use features. The powerful motor makes it easy to switch from mowing to hedging, and the safety button is located at the top of the handle for added convenience. The Type-C charging cable is a nice touch, as it can be charged from a variety of sources. However, the Hedge trim blades are best suitable for less than 7.95 mm thickness branches, and the blade replacements may rust quickly. Additionally, the safety lock may fail on occasion, so be sure to use caution when operating the trimmer. Overall, we recommend this product for those looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use cordless grass trimmer. Moving on at number 4, we have the Works 20 volts 12 inches cordless GT 3.0 string trimmer and edger. We've used the Works 20 volts 12 inches cordless GT 3.0 string trimmer and edger for several weeks now, and we're impressed with its performance. The 2-in-1 design is incredibly convenient, allowing us to switch between trimming and edging with ease. The command feed spool system works flawlessly, providing instant line feeding whenever we need it. Plus, the free spools for life offer excellent value. The rubberized wheels are a standout feature, providing excellent support and guidance for the edger. We're able to create straighter lines and cleaner cuts, even on uneven terrain. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing us to trim on sloped patches of lawn. And the adjustable spacer guard is a nice touch, protecting the tops of shorter plants. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The 10 feet cutting line length may not be sufficient for larger yards, and the 0.065 line diameter may struggle with tougher weeds. Additionally, the adjustable spacer guard may not be effective in protecting taller plants. Overall, we highly recommend the Works 20 volts 12 inches cordless GT 3.0 string trimmer and edger for its versatility, convenience, and performance. It's a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable cordless grass trimmer. At number 3, we have the Apiuek Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker. If you're looking for an affordable and lightweight cordless grass trimmer, the Apiuek Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker might be a good option for you. Overall, we think the Apiuek Cordless Lawn Trimmer Weed Whacker is a good choice for anyone looking for an affordable and easy-to-use cordless grass trimmer. With its 3 types of cutting blades and long battery life, it's a versatile tool that can handle a variety of lawn care tasks with ease. Just be sure to double-check that the blades are securely attached before starting the trimmer, and you should be good to go. At number 2, we have the Craftsman V20 Cordless Handheld Grass Trimmer and Mini Hedge Trimmer Kit. Overall, we think that the Craftsman V20 Cordless Handheld Grass Trimmer and Mini Hedge Trimmer Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile cordless grass trimmer. Whether you're looking to spruce up your hedges or trim fescue grass and flower beds, this kit has everything you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The V20 battery platform is compatible with Craftsman V20 outdoor equipment and power tools, so you can easily expand your collection of outdoor tools and equipment as needed. And with its convenient quick blade change feature, you can switch between blades quickly and easily, so you can tackle a variety of landscaping tasks with ease. All in all, we think that the Craftsman V20 Cordless Handheld Grass Trimmer and Mini Hedge Trimmer Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile cordless grass trimmer. So if you're in the market for a new trimmer, be sure to check it out. And finally at number 1, we have the BLACK+DECKER 20 volts Max Cordless String Trimmer. This cordless grass trimmer is a great choice for those who want the convenience of a cordless tool that can also convert into a wheeled edger. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great choice for those who don't want to lug around a heavy tool. The automatic spool feed technology is also a great feature, making it easy to use and efficient. The battery life could be longer, but this is a common issue with cordless tools, and having a backup battery can solve this problem. The handle can be a bit tricky to get used to, but once you do, it's easy to adjust and use. The charger is a jack plug, which might not be as convenient as other charging options, but it's not a deal breaker. Overall, if you're looking for a cordless grass trimmer that can also convert into a wheeled edger, the BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max cordless string trimmer is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.